Mohammad Rafi, the god of playback singing, left this world on 31st July 1980. But the legendary singer still lives in the hearts of countless fans across the world with his fabulous songs. Out of the 7,405 songs in several Indian languages, Mohammad Rafi sang 4,334 songs in Hindi. But nearly 70 Hindi film songs have no official records and were never uploaded on YouTube or on other social media. There are a number of songs by Mohammad Rafi which are not officially recorded anywhere in his 36 years of singing career that came to an end in 1980. Mohammad Rafi Sahab sang minimum 12,000 old songs in several languages including Persian, Arabic and Turkish, but unfortunately all of the songs have been lost. Where have those songs gone? It is worthwhile to mention that his secretary, Mr. Zahir Bari, who happened to be his brother-in-law, wrote to the Guinness Book of World Records in 1979, informing the committee that Mohammad Rafi Sahab had recorded 26,000 songs in his career. However, Guinness Book did not accept his claim, so it is a myth that he sang that many songs. Nonetheless, he certainly sang in the range of 12 to 14,000 songs altogether, which in itself is a huge number. Alas, many of them are forever lost because nothing worthwhile has been done to find those lost gems. It is time to find his lost and forgotten songs and get him the recognition he so richly deserved during his lifetime and which still eludes him after 4 decades. Indian history is not documented. Our past records are in a state of disarray. We have never made a conscious attempt at record keeping, and our whole approach has been utterly sluggish and ranks lackadaisical. When HMV, EMI and Polydor were churning out LP records, no official records of songs were maintained. When HMV Calcutta brought out a tribute to Mohammad Rafi Sahab in the form of LP records and early cassettes in 1980, there were 16 ghazals of Raghupati Sahai Firaq Gorakhpuri sung by Mohammad Rafi. That collection is forever lost. Dr. Muhammad Nawaz, an authority on Firaq Gorakhpuri at Allahabad University, told that Firaq made it a point and also mentioned in his will in 1968 that all of his ghazals would only be sung by Mohammad Rafi Sahab and no other singer, not even the legends like Mehdi Hasan, Ghulam Ali, Begum Akhtar or anyone else. मुत्रिब से कहो इस अंदाज से गाए, हर दिल को लगे चोट सी, हर आँख भर आए. This ghazal was written by Firaq Gorakhpuri and the meaning of this song in English is, please request the singer to sing in such a soulful manner every heart can feel and every eye gets teary. It is available in his over and also on Rekhta, but not as a ghazal sung by Rafi. The fact that Firaq Sahab wanted only Mohammad Rafi Sahab to sing his ghazals was mentioned in a tribute to him in now defunct Sunday Magazine, in its April 1982 issue, Firaq shuffled off the mortal coil on March 3, 1982, with due respect to other ghazal singers, how they sang Firaq's ghazals despite categorically mentioning in the will that only Rafi would sing is a mystery. Where have Rafi's 741 non-filmy ghazals gone? Even if you find search on the internet, you cannot find more than 60 odd non-filmy ghazals sung by the maestro. Where is his ghazal? ऐ मेरी जाने तमन्ना मेरी जाने ग़ज़ल लोग तूफ़ान उठा देंगे मेरे साथ न चल. Penned by Urdu poet Adil Abbas. Later incorporated in an incomplete film Sundari, the year 1950, Rafi himself told the BBC interviewer in 1978, ये गज़ल गाई थी लेकिन पता नहीं कहाँ गुम हो गई. Means, I sang this ghazal but don't know what happened to it. The same can be said about ghazals of Kunwar Mahendra Singh Bedi Sahar, sung by Rafi Sahab, except for Ujale se lipte andhere ghanere and a few others. Most of Bedi ghazals sung by Rafi are not found. To us, Wikipedia and YouTube are gospel of truths. But these two authentic sources don't throw even a glimmer of light on Rafi's lost songs. रविश सिद्दीकी's ग़ज़ल sung by रफ़ी साहब, दूर जाकर भी वो हमसे जुदा न हो सके कसम से, has no trace anywhere. The same deplorable fate befell Ayaz Jhanzvi's exquisite ग़ज़ल, मिलते हो सभी से, नज़रें चुराते हो हमी से. Rafi sang this ghazal in 1961. Even Radio Ceylon played it. It was one of the favorite ghazals of Pakistani singer Noor Jahan. How many people know that Muhammad Rafi Sahab composed 3 songs for a film Radha in 1957? Calcutta Radio had its LP records with 2 songs sung by him, मेरी आँखों में झांक जानम and तू बता कैसे तुझे बुलाऊं. No one knows about the third song. All were written by a poor Urdu poet Fahim Nagpuri, who suddenly disappeared just like Rafi's songs in Radha. No information is available anywhere on these songs, nor is anyone aware of Fahim Nagpuri. Before that, Rafi sang Ek Jaam Pila De Saqi, Raat Bhi Hai Baqi from the film Tere Do Nain, and the year was 1951. I searched for this movie and the song at FTII Pune and Satyajit Ray Film Institute Calcutta, but got no clue. The famous Ganjwar sisters Vimla and Kamli Ganjwar of Radio Ceylon kept writing to the government and Broadcasting Ministry of India to retrieve Rafi's innumerable song, but to no avail. Even his film songs like Kaise Kategi Zindagi Tere Baghair from an unreleased movie composed by Madan Mohan in the year 1960